Sometimes you don't find exactly what you want when searching through a database using the basic search on the main page. This can be frustrating when you just can't seem to find any good scholarly sources for your research projects. Most databases have advanced search options that allow you to do a much more targeted search. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the AcademicOneFile database. To get to this database, first we're going to go to the Southwest page, go to www.southwest.tn.edu. Now click on Library here on the left. Now click on Databases in the Resource Links page on the right. On the Databases page, scroll down to the General Periodicals category and click on it to expand it. And then click on AcademicOneFile, the first one in the list. This will pull up the main AcademicOneFile page and the basic search box. Most databases have an advanced search. For this one, we just need to click on Advanced at the top here with the little magnifying glass with a plus sign on it in the upper right. This will bring up our advanced search page. There are multiple search boxes that you can use for each term in your query, and each box has an option to specify where you want to look for this item. You could look for this item in available materials such as keyword, entire document, subject, etc. Also, here on the left are operators, which you can use to specify how you want to use each search term in your query. The default operator is AND. Using the AND operator means the term must be in the material. For example, we want to search for material with cat and black, and also we want to make sure it's in the document title. Now if I do a search, it'll bring back results like Riot at the Black Cat or the Black Cat Detectives. Whereas if I type black cat in the basic search box at the top, we get back articles where black and cat are anywhere in the article. Click Advanced to get back to the advanced search page. The other options for operators are OR and NOT. You use OR if you would like to find one thing or the other. For example, we could do a document title search. Let's change these to document title. And let's do it for obesity and heart disease or obesity stroke. Or now let's do our search. This will bring back articles about obesity with heart disease or obesity with strokes in the title. For example, I have some things such as the interactive effort of diabetes and central obesity on stroke, or things like explaining the association between obesity, hypertension, and stroke. Let's go back to our advanced page. You use NOT if you want to exclude something from your search. For example, we could search for diabetes, not type 1. This will only bring up materials that are about diabetes, but not type 1 diabetes. Let's click on Advanced again here in the upper right to get back to our advanced search page. You can add more rows if you need to make your search more complex by clicking on Add a Row. Below the search boxes, there are options that you can use to filter your results, such as only showing full-text articles, specifying publication dates, looking for only certain document types, etc. These filters can also be applied after you've done your search. You can use many of these advanced search features in a basic search just by using the advanced search operators in your search. Scroll back to the top, click where it says More in the upper right, and then click on Help on the options bar that comes up. This is the help screen specifically for advanced search. Click on Search Tips. This brings up the help page that explains strategies you can use to make your basic searches more effective. There are many different strategies here, but we'll just focus on a few. Scroll down to where it says and or not logical operators. This explains how we can use these operators without being in our advanced search page. It starts by telling you what each one does, and it gives you some examples of how to use each of them in a search. Children and travel finds documents that contain both terms, children and travel, anywhere within the search text. Postmortem or autopsy finds documents that contain either postmortem or autopsy or both. At least one of your terms must be present. Benjamin Franklin in quotations, not Bach, finds documents that contain the term Benjamin Franklin, but that do not contain the term Bach. This would include documents that mention Benjamin Franklin, but not his great-grandson Benjamin Franklin Bach. One more thing we want to look at is the use of quotation marks. Scroll down to the quotation marks section. You may have noticed in our Benjamin Franklin example, we used quotation marks. You can enclose your search term in double quotation marks when you're looking for words together in a specific order. For example, Time's Winged Chariot finds documents where these words appear in the exact order listed, with no intervening words in between. Let's do a sample search using the operators we just learned. Go to the simple search box at the top of the page and type in American Revolution and John Adams or George Washington. Not Valley Forge. And hit enter. This will bring back materials that mention the American Revolution and either John Adams or George Washington, but do not mention Valley Forge. I hope you learned some great tips and tricks for advanced searching. These techniques are often similar, if not the same, in most databases that the library provides access to. Just look for the advanced search option or use your and or not operators with quotation marks in your simple search to get the best results out of your database searching. This is a follow-up to my advanced Google searching video, so if you found this one informative, you may like that one as well. And as always, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask a librarian.